Hey guys, it's Jimmy Jones with eXp Realty. So we're a few days from Halloween, and I was just reading in one of my real estate magazines about death and disclosures, and I thought, man, that would be a really good topic to share some knowledge. So I'm going to be reading the article, or some questions and answers from the article. The article was written by Carrie Lewis. She is a member of the Texas State Bar, and she's also a former general counsel for the Texas Real Estate Commission. So we've got some really good information in this article. I hope you guys enjoy. Quick disclaimer, real estate license holders, aka realtors like myself, should not provide legal advice to clients. So if you feel or you suspect that there might have been a death on a property, it's highly recommended that you consult your attorney. With that being said, real estate license holders should have a general knowledge or implications of how a death would impact a property and the transaction. So we're going to go through some questions and hopefully you guys learned something. So question number one, did someone die here? Another way to ask that is, has anybody with coronavirus died here? And the way that the Texas statute is written, if it was a death due to natural causes, suicide, or an accident due to the property's condition, it doesn't need to be disclosed. So the seller or the seller's agent has no duty to disclose the death if it was, again, due to natural causes, suicide, or an accident due to the property's condition. So that would make me wonder what types of death would need to be disclosed. And one example would be a murder. If there was somebody murdered on the property, let's just use a hypothetical. I bought this house in 2009, and the seller back then said, hey, there was a murder on this property a few years back. That is material information, and that would need to be disclosed to me as the potential buyer. And then let's say I bought the property, any future buyer, so if I go to sell the property in the future, that is still material information that I would need to disclose to potential buyers. Also, if there was an accident and it was due to the property's condition, so let's say the house is falling apart and somebody dies here, I would have to disclose that to any potential buyers. What if the property is haunted by a previous owner who committed suicide? So again, if it was caused by suicide, that doesn't need to be disclosed. And then the paranormal activity, the haunting, would not need to be disclosed because paranormal activity is not specifically mentioned in the statute. Let's say you thought the property was being haunted by a demon. So because a demon haunting it is not natural causes, suicide, or an accident due to the property's condition, a haunting by a demon would need to be disclosed. And I know what a lot of people are thinking, hey, that's kind of silliness. But in the article, she specifically provides statistics about 45% of Americans believe ghosts and demons exist, and there's some other statistics that she provides. So, you know, it's might be silliness to you, but some people believe in it, so it's good information to have. And then the last question, what if the seller or the buyer dies after they sign the contract to buy or sell the property? So the myth is that the contract would terminate, but it does not automatically terminate with the death of one of the parties. Basically, the estate of the party that died would still have legal responsibilities for the contract, so it is highly recommended that they reach out to their attorney to consult for legal advice. So I hope this information has been entertaining and helpful to you guys. If you have a question about today's topic, or if you have another topic related to real estate and you just want to know more about it, please message me down below. If you guys like this information on this video, please click the subscribe button and I'll provide you additional information in the future. Thank you guys very much, and I hope you have a happy Halloween.